Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, March the 9th. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Apple. This is a 60 minutes chart here. Okay, now the most important sort of view from this chart here is the idea that eventually we are looking for more upside as long as we stay above 143. That's the most important thing. Not necessarily this has to happen, and so on, but the most important thing is as long as we stay above 143, eventually we're going to break above this previous peak 156. That is the main message here, right? So you finish with 2 here. This is a primary degree here in the form of an ABC intermediate here in the blue. Now that means we start the next leg up in the wave 3. And as you know, wave 3 subdivides into 5 waves. So we finish 1 of 3 here. So now we are looking to finish 2 of 3 as a zigzag. This pullback, the first leg, looks like a 5 waves down. So there is a chance for a C leg down. One more leg before we finish this entire correction, then we can rally again as long as this 143 here is holding. Okay, so you can see this rally, it does look impulsive, right? It does look impulsive. And if we zoom out to the 4-hour, now this is very interesting here. Now we are now you notice here, first of all, from the 184, I believe that one was the all-time high in, no, that's not the all-time high, my bad. Hold on, let me go to the daily time frame. Okay, so so far what we see here is not an impulsive structure from the peak. It is corrective. You can see this structure here is overlapping and corrective. Okay, and the rally, this rally, I think this is clear impulse, right? It looks clear impulse to me. So that will be ending your 1 and 2 here. That will be ending your 1 and 2 here. So we're looking from the wave 3 higher, and we're still in the process. Now let's go down again to the 240, which is the 4-hour time frame, and you notice here that for now we have not broken above 1, right? So technically speaking, it's not yet confirm 100% that this is really the end of your entire correction, because until it breaks above 1 in black, technically we can do what we call a double correction like this, and technically this cannot be completely ruled out yet at this point until it breaks above 1. However, okay, this rally looks impulsive, so that's why I think it favors the upside, because if this is an impulse, right, then unless it is a expanded flat from somewhere, which doesn't look like, then that means we should be looking for further upside again, because it is an impulse 5 ways, right? And once it breaks above 1, that will confirm this is your 2, and then that should extend higher, right, to the next at least 100% extension, which is 176. So this looks pretty bullish as of now, due to the 5 ways rally from here. Also, you notice here that if you look at this structure of the decline here, you notice here that the biggest swing, of course, is this one, right, in the middle here. So if you project the extension, now you can see it did a 3 waves, right? There is no extension or anything here. So this is 1, 2, 3 swing, right? And now you can call it a flat if you want, but it is ending at the 100% extension area. There is no extension in the third leg, and then rally as an impulse. So the balance of the evidence at this point is indeed favoring for more upside eventually. And back on the 1 hour, as long as we don't, as long as this pivot 143.6 is holding, we should eventually see another leg higher in Apple. Right now, because the shorter cycle, this one looks like a 5 waves, so we think that we can see another leg down again before we rally. Okay, now of course we can go down immediately like this, then you just simply put the P here. That doesn't really negate the overall view. The overall view remains the same, right? But for now, what we are looking here is just a little bit more upside to finish third leg C, and then go down and then go up again. All right, so that's the update for Apple. And if you want to get more updates on Apple or any other stock, ETF, we also do indices, cryptos, commodities, and Forex. You can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. Alright, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.